Go, 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 go.
So this week we're going to do something different. We're in Ho Chi Minh City. We've gone out to District 10 and we're going to walk down Hanh Street and Ho Chi Minh Street. And we're going to have a look at what the street food's like out in the suburbs, away from the tourist areas. I'm here at Boko Khan, and what I've got here is their beef stew special. So with the beef stew special, we've got the standard lettuce and bean sprouts, we've got limes, we've got chilies, we've got some chili sauce. Looks like we've got a salt and pepper mix, we've got a bread roll, and then the main attraction, we've got this beef flank here, there's meatballs, and it looks like there's also some ribs in there. So I think the way we do this is we take off a piece of meat. I think the idea is you dip it into the salt, give it a bit of a mix, give it a bit of chili on it, and then put it into the bowl. Add some broth, so your broth's going to go down as you eat it. And then it's a matter of putting in your greens, a bit of bean sprouts. Let's finish this one off with a little bit of lime. Grab some chopsticks, give it a bit of a mix. That flank is really tender. Takes a little bit to chew because it's so big, but that's got a really nice flavour. The salt and pepper adds to it, so does the chili. So Bokar Ganh. It's got a Michelin star. It's right at the top of the street. I think it's number 2. Definitely, if you're going to walk down this street, start here. Start with a beef stew, nice and easy, and then continue on down the street. So I'm at Hanh Street. We're at number 23. I think it's called Diep. Big sign out the front, and they specialise in Banh Xeo, which is a smaller version of the larger ones I've had last week. So you've got the pancake, which has got prawns, it's got bean sprouts, and what you do is you get your rice paper with these smaller ones, add a bit of lettuce and some of the leaves that come with it, a little bit of chili, and put your Banh Xeo in, and then dip into the fish and vinegar sauce. Once again, that's really oily. Every Banh Xeo I've had so far, I enjoy them, but there's just oil dripping everywhere. So if you're going to have the Banh Xeo, it is the pancakes, it is the prawns, it's got all the healthy stuff, but there's a hell of a lot of oil in them. So here we have ba la lot, which is a ground beef in a betel leaf, cooked on the side of the road. I found the best way to start Sue Van Hanh Street to get your driver to drop you off at Boko Ganh and start with that beef stew, or even if you don't, it's a starting point at the beginning of the street that you can then walk down the street, finish this street and then head on down to Ho Chi Kai. At the end of Sir Van Hanh Street, you've got two options. You can turn down Vien Chien Street. A couple of small alleys will take you across to Ho Chi Kai. Or you have the option of going down Nagu Gia 2 to the roundabout and then right to the same street. Either way, you'll see plenty of eateries. So here we have a whole heap of what looks like there's chicken meat, looks like a beef meat, seafood, mix of rice and something, and then you've got a whole heap of quail eggs it looks like, meats, and then you've got those cheese on a stick type things that sit out in the midday sun, prawns, seafood extender, whole lot of stuff on sticks there. Here we are at Hai Kai Thai. When you get to Ho Chi Kai Street, it doesn't matter which end you start from. It's a small alley that you can walk down and see hundreds of food options. The only thing you'll have to watch out for is the odd motorbike going down the laneway. Well, I've made my way down to Ho Chi Kai, and what I have now is Heo Nuong. So what we have here is a pork chop, flattened on a stick, and then we've also got the version that has the cheese on it. And one of the best things about this street, 15,000 for a beer. That's pretty good value. That's nice and hot. Definitely pork, it's that American cheese that gets stuck to your teeth. That's really nice. Other one should be the exact same, just without cheese. Yeah, that's really nice. Nice and hot. Great.